video. Today we have special buy of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man, Stan the Man, for helping out the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Special buy of the day, it says savings ends in 16 hours. But I would definitely jump on it before they sell out, because these do sell out. So great deals, and they went down in price. Alright, the first one, we got impact driver, drill driver, brushed, and right angle drill, 144. It's an M12. The next one down, we got the bandsaw, and we got a one-handed reciprocating saw for $199. The kit with the big battery, charging the bag. You got impact driver, drill driver, fuel. So it's the top of the line here. A big battery here. If I can click on that big battery, see what it looks like. Looks like a 4 for $199. It's definitely a great deal. We got another impact driver, drill driver, fuel with the oscillating tool, $199. All right, we got the impact driver, drill driver, fuel with the reciprocating saw, one-handed reciprocating saw, $199. Then we have what is this? A brushed unit with the oscillating tool, $144. Same thing with the rotor, or a little, what is it, Dremel tool, whatever you want to call it, $144. You got a 3-piece Ridgid. If you guys know, Ridgid is getting new tools and pretty much going to clearance everything out. So these deals are going to start popping up now. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We got the Octane 3-tool combo kit for $199. That's definitely a killer deal for these three. And here we got the, what is this, the Ridgid or the Joby 3-piece tool combo kit with the 4-amp-hour battery and a small battery for $249. This is actually not a bad deal because these are all brushless tools. We got the regular brush tools, 3-tool combo kit, $149. We got the inflator and an impact driver for $99. It's not a bad deal. This tool by itself is $99. This inflator is like 30 or 40 bucks. I think 30 bucks. You got the, what is this? The 4-tool combo kit with the 2-amp-hour battery, $299. And guys, the savings are on the top. So if in case you want to look at the savings and see how much comparing these, that's the savings there on the top. You got the 18 Ryobi 1 Plus, the brushless 4-tool combo kit, $249. You got the ratchet and the impact wrench, which I would definitely get. Yeah, this is a good deal, guys. If you're in the Ryobi line, this is a good deal. This is not the best ratchet out there, but you know, if you're already in the line, that's good. $129. You got a 3-tool combo kit, 2-amp-hour battery, $199. You got a subcompact brushless hammer drill, $139. You got a 4th-inch impact driver kit, $49. That's great for the DIY. Let's see here. If you're a professional, stay away from that, obviously. Impact wrench with the 1.5 amp battery, $89. Yeah, this is a good deal. You got a cordless 3/8 impact wrench, $139. You got the subcompact cordless brushless 3/8 impact, $159. This is a good deal. I will definitely get that one if I was on the line. You got the bandsaw. You got a big battery here, and plus you're getting a 6, I believe. Let me just double check for you guys. You're getting a 6, a 4, and a 6 for $199. That's a great deal there on that. Go down back again to the bandsaw. Got a one-handed reciprocating saw brushed, and you're getting an oscillating tool for $154. You're getting 2 impacts there, a 1/2 inch. I don't know if the other one's a 1/2 inch. It's $109. That's a killer deal. If you're on the line, this is a great deal, but it's already sold out. This is with the brushed with the fuel ratchet. Yeah, these deals are all sold out. I'm not even gonna look at these. Alright, you got the 8mm to 19mm stubby reversible ratcheting combination, 95. You got the Milwaukee 3/8 and 4th drive, 199. That's out of stock, out of stock. You got some Milwaukee 35%. Or Makita, my bad. Got the light, the floodlight, $87. You got another light here, $56. Another one here, $54. This is the Ridgid torchlight and LED mat, $109. You got a nice little combo here of $129, and then $119. You got the speaker, the Ryobi speaker with the Bluetooth thing, $89. You got a diamond point blade, $29. You got the blades here, $79 for the general purpose diamond segmented. You got a general purpose, $34. Dual purpose, $119. And general purpose, $34. So if you guys are on the trades, make sure you guys pick these up, because they're on sale. So you got a 7-inch diamond blade, turbo, soft material, $24. A 14-inch, $119. A 5-inch, $19. You got a big hog carbide hole saw kit, $34. You got a hole dozer, $37.99. It's not a bad deal here. Yeah, it's not a bad deal. Got a shockwave carbide hammer drill bit kit, $22.99. I got this kit. I think I got it for $15 last time it came out on sale. This is a great kit. You got the saw demolition and wood metal cutting, $29.97. You got the big hole dozer electrician's bimetal hole saw kit, 19 piece, $99. You got the Impex X driver bit set, 50 piece, $21.99. You got the 35 piece, $14.99. You got the 40 piece, $17.99. You got the Impact Duty steel bit set with titanium, $44.99. That's a nice little kit. You get all kinds of blades here. You get the reciprocating saw blade kit. You got a regular bit set and drilling bit set there, titanium. You got a 16-inch diamond blade, $129. Cobalt Red Helix bit set, $99. Let's see, electrician's work belt, $69.97. Ultimate job site backpack, $69. And these are all sold out on the bottom. So that's it, guys, for today. Don't forget to help out the channel. Make sure you guys jump on these deals before they sell out, especially the ones on the top. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.